Welcome to NSU eLab, where learning is done by you. I am Caron Coleman, and I'm the principal at NSU eLab, and I want to welcome you to our very first virtual open house. The first topic that I want to cover is our arrival and dismissal procedures. Our morning drop-off time has a 30-minute window. The duty teachers begin letting students out of the car at 7:20, and they have until 7:50 to be at school. When the children exit the car, they will walk through the front door, and we will have their temperature scanned with the thermal camera, and they will go straight to their classrooms. This year, we will not have any students sitting on the benches in the morning time. If you arrive after 7:50, we ask that you please park and walk your child to the front door, and there you will see a clipboard on a cart outside the front door. If you will sign them in and the time and give them one of the yellow slips, they can bring the yellow slip into the office, and Miss Kelly will put the information on there, and they can take that to their teacher. We are also asking that there not be any checkouts after 2 o'clock. We understand that sometimes there may be emergencies or doctor appointments that you couldn't get earlier in the day. So if there is a need, just call or email Miss Kelly, and we will certainly make sure that we take care of you and your child. The afternoon car line begins at 2:55, and we begin that with the early buses and the daycare vans loading first. We also do not allow any parents to walk up and pick their children up. Every child needs to be put in a vehicle, a bus, or a daycare van. Please click the YouTube link to view the wonderful video to help you navigate our afternoon car line. We will not be able to have any visitors in the office at this time. Instead, we will have a cart outside of the front door for any items that need to be dropped off. If you need to sign in your student or check them out, please fill out the clipboard and call the office. The number is on the front door. If you need an appointment to visit Miss Kelly, please call or email her at 238-6385 or kelly.cedars@nat.k12.la.us. Transportation changes must be written in the agenda. If the transportation change isn't written in the agenda, we will send your child home on their normal mode of transportation. If you have any items that need to be dropped off, you can do so at the cart outside of the front doors. We do not accept any deliveries of any kind for birthdays or holidays. And we also ask that if you are going to send birthday treats for your child to celebrate their birthday, that they be nothing edible. So examples would be pencils, stickers, bookmarks, as long as it's nothing edible. When you send money to school, please make sure that it is in a sealed envelope labeled with your child's name, the amount, the purpose for the payment, and their homeroom teacher. Tuition is billed by a third party called Bill Pay through NSU. Be looking for those emails. They sometimes go to the clutter in your email, so those statements should be coming anytime between now through September. Please note one important change in the way that tuition is paid this year. It must be paid monthly, with half of it being paid by December 31st. If half of it is not paid by December 31st, Northwestern will add a $200 charge per student. The total balance is due on April 30th of 2021. Lunch accounts must also be kept current. If you have a student at NSUE and at NSUM, those payments must be made separately. Here I've outlined the components of our Strong Start plan. This plan gives you information for all of the safety measures that we have put in place to keep our faculty and staff and students safe while we're at school. I emailed this plan last week, so hopefully you have had a chance to go through the document to make sure that you understand all of the information. We also have a video to help show our students what the day will look like with these new changes in place. I have linked the document in the next slide to give you another opportunity to view that document and make sure that you do not have any further questions. If you do, please email me or call me, and I will be sure to go over that information with you. Please click the link to view our Strong Start plan. The vision and mission statements of NSU Lab are something that we take great pride in. The creation of these statements are a collaborative effort of our faculty, staff, students, parents, and community stakeholders. Each morning, our students recite the vision statement. The vision of NSU Elementary Lab is to create a nurturing, learning environment of innovative thinking and problem solving where excellence is expected of everyone. And our mission statement is that NSU Lab is a collaborative environment of university and community that fosters meaningful learning experiences for all students. PALS is our parent group that supports our school in so many ways. We are currently looking for 1 to 2 people who would be interested in serving as the leadership chairs for that organization. I promise you that the work is not hard. It just requires a little bit of time and your willingness to serve to help our school. So if you have a gift or time or any talent and you feel led to serve in that capacity, please reach out to me and we will get you plugged in. If you just want to volunteer in some way at eLab, please let me know and we will find a spot for you. We truly depend on all of our parent volunteers to keep our school as wonderful as it is. So if you're looking to get involved, please reach out to me. Now it's time to visit your child's classroom teacher. Please click on your child's teacher Bitmoji for more information from them.